What's going on, guys? So I'm going to give you some levels on a stock that I'm looking to day trade tomorrow. That stock being Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. Reason why I'm looking at this stock, made a nice move today, pushed into 171, obviously before pulling back just a little bit into the close. Closed at 170.83, up 4%, $6 on the day. So what I want to really look at here is today we reclaimed the 20 period moving average. We had a little bit of resistance, which there was a little bit of a trade from 168 into that 170 area. Obviously, if you're holding a runner, let's say, for example, you entered into that 168 price, you would still be holding that runner because nothing gave you the indication to kind of get out of that trade. So congratulations if you are holding a runner overnight. It looks very, very good. Just keep in mind, though, that if we do start to lose the 168, just kind of exit that trade, cut your loss right there, or kind of just break even on that and sit on those profits that you had. Definitely a little area of support that we could be looking at is 166.93. That's a 20-day moving average. Tomorrow, if we do have some sort of pullback off the open, what I would be looking for is a pullback into the 168 area. I would like to see that area consolidate while this 20 period moving average on the 1 hour time frame starts to rise. As it starts to rise and we can sort of bounce off that support, if Airbnb takes out 171, which is today's highs, and today is the 24th of March, if we can take out 171, definitely an area. Contracts are going to be a lot cheaper. Tomorrow's Friday, 0 days to expiration. You can grab 5-10 of these things for the cheaps. Okay, if you don't know what that means, the contracts are going to be significantly cheaper on those premiums. You guys can grab those anything close to 171, whatever that, let's take a look together and see exactly what these are selling at. So as of today's close, the 170s are 260, 250s are extremely cheap. They're only 140 bucks. So with that being taken into account, $140 for those contracts. Now we have to see what they kind of open up on tomorrow, but we're talking $100 to $200 a contract. You take 5 of those things, get in there, $500, $600, $700, depending on whatever it costs. You get 50 cents, a dollar. You start scaling off one contract, you get $1.25. You scale off another one, you get $1.50. You scale off two. And hell, if this thing wants to push up, $2 off your entry, just go ahead and close all of those out and kind of lock in those gains. But Airbnb looks strong. It is a little bit more of a spreadier stock. It does kind of, put in big moves and then big pullbacks and then big moves and big pullbacks. Don't be alarmed. So the main thing you're looking for is if we're trading over the 20 period moving average on the hourly time frame, you're going to kind of sit in that trade long. Obviously, anything below 168 or the 20 at 166, you're going to want to exit that trade. But if we do pull back and then we bounce 171, have some confidence, guys, you're only going to know if you're going to win money or make money is if you take those trades. If you're scared to take the trades, you're never going to understand yourself as a trader. You're never going to understand if your strategy works. You're never going to understand if you are going to make money or not. You can't just pick and choose when you decide to trade. Now, I'm not saying you go and take every single setup that you see, but the point being is that if you get the opportunity to buy some calls over 171, take a shot, right? Take a shot. I hope that video helps. Remember, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow in the Discord.